the end of the day, it's Donna. Even when she hurts me. Even when I hate her. She's who you want to talk to.
Not all wounds are superficial.
So, you're sleeping with Sloan.
Was.
Me too was. Which is just a hailstorm of self-loathing and misery.
Yeah.
Get a drink or something?
I would love to.
Some other time then.
Definitely.
Most wounds run deeper than we can imagine.
Yeah, he's fine. He'll make a full recovery.
You can't see them with the naked eye.
You're back.
Yes.
I'm glad you're back.
Me too. I'm off. Come on, I don't like to be paged when I'm off. It's important.
George, we need to talk.
Yeah, I think we do.
It's about your dad, George.
My dad?
And then there are the wounds that take us by surprise.
So, this could be just a drink. Or this could be more than a drink.
You're breaking the rules again.
I don't care. You and me, we could have fun together. Dirty Mistresses unite and all that.
I cannot start something with you.
You could. I'm not camping in the woods. Start over, Meredith. Start fresh. Sit by the bell. Order me another beer. Hi. I'm Derek Shepard.
What are you doing?
We met at this party, remember? We met and well, you said, I'm just a girl. I said, I'm just a guy. And we started this thing. We started this thing. You didn't know anything about me. The good, the bad, the wife. You didn't even know my name. You didn't know me. I want you to know me. I want to start over from the beginning. So, hi. Derek Shepard.
You walked away, and now it's too late. There's too much water under the thing or whatever.
Meredith. Please.
The trick with any kind of wound or disease is to dig down and find the real source of the injury.
Hi, I'm Meredith Gray.
Very nice to meet you, Meredith.
It's nice to meet you.
And once you've found it, try like hell to heal that sucker.